Hey, Alan Palmer here at NASDAQ.com and MrTopStep. All right, we have some trades here that are they're happening right now, okay? It's lock and load. I talked about oil share, I talked about cattle before. I'm not a cattle guy, but there was a target at 129 today. I think the low was 128.32, okay? It's cattle, it's thin, it's sloppy. This says the bear market has now ceased, okay? I originally had a 144 buy. We hung around there. It's cattle, it's sloppy. Anyway, oil share. This is the bean oil, bean meal spread. This is the oil content in the contract, okay? It's a ratio spread. I came on here with my olive line at $29.96, okay? We went down slightly through, I think 20 ticks. 20 ticks. Now a tick is 30 bucks, so that's 600 bucks per one oil share. So we subsequently rallied about 120, 150 ticks, okay? I am in the middle of different things here, and you can just look at the net change in the spread every day. Oil minus the meal, okay? If it makes 30 ticks today, it's up 70 ticks. 70 times, 3? That's 2,100 bucks per one lot. It's smoking. Now, naked, I've got my olive lines, and the last one last week with the Gartman blow in oil share was selling at 28.02. Okay, we're still under there. We could breach it today on the close. Coming in Friday's close, we could breach it. That's a small level. All my levels are the same. We get over that, this thing could explode. Now, I've got naked levels in bean oil and meal, but okay, let's touch another one, coffee. Now, what I look for is I look for trades that are going to pay you 1,000 to 2,000%. And you say, well, what is that? But in the spring, I did this thing. I said, we have record rainfall. Buy wheat at 502. We came down 502 and a quarter. There was no money risks, okay? That was the roundup crowd on the HFT. They round up to 502 and a quarter. We go to 620. It's $6,000. You figure out that, I said risk 200 bucks max. And I'm looking for these little trades. Wheat was 8 days, $6,000 from 502 to 620. Take off 100 bucks. And so we have these markets that have really engaged. Bonds, I'm looking to sell them on the way up here. Stop by the site, pick up these numbers. We have stocks. There is a number down here. I don't know what we're doing today. Okay, I was also saying we're going to have much busier markets, much more volatile markets. We're here. Lock and load. This is Alan Palmer, NASDAQ.com.